Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Imagine trying to send money across the globe in a matter of seconds. What if there was a faster, more scalable way to transfer value and data? Enter Hedera Hashgraph, a groundbreaking new technology that could revolutionize the way we interact with digital information. Unlike traditional blockchains, Hedera uses a directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure, allowing for lightning-fast transactions and unmatched scalability. So, what sets Hedera Hashgraph apart from blockchain? Let's break it down. Traditional blockchains operate like a slow-moving line. Each block must be verified before the next can be added, causing congestion and delays. Hedera, on the other hand, uses a revolutionary approach called a directed acyclic graph (DAG). This creates a vast network where transactions can be processed simultaneously, dramatically increasing speed and scalability. This means Hedera can handle thousands of transactions per second, making it ideal for real-world applications that demand speed and efficiency. And unlike some blockchains that rely on energy-intensive mining, Hedera's consensus mechanism is based on asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, ABFT, ensuring security and fairness without the need for proof of work. Hedera's versatility shines through in its diverse range of applications. Let's explore a few. In finance, Hedera can revolutionize payments, trading, and securities settlement. By leveraging smart contracts, we can automate complex financial transactions, reducing costs and minimizing errors. Supply chain management is another area where Hedera excels. By tracking goods in real time, we can improve transparency, reduce fraud, and ensure product safety. For example, imagine tracking a shipment of pharmaceuticals from manufacturing to the pharmacy shelf. Gaming is an exciting frontier for Hedera. With its speed and scalability, Hedera can power microtransactions, in-game economies, and digital assets, creating immersive and fair gaming experiences. Even the Internet of Things, IoT, benefits from Hedera's capabilities. Secure and efficient data transfer between devices is crucial for smart cities, industrial automation, and countless other IoT applications. These are just a few examples of how Hedera is transforming industries. To power this innovative network, Hedera uses its native cryptocurrency, HBAR. Think of HBAR as the fuel that drives the Hedera ecosystem. HBAR has a fixed maximum supply, ensuring its long-term value. As the Hedera network grows and more applications are built on it, demand for HBAR is expected to increase, potentially driving up its price. While HBAR offers exciting investment potential, it's essential to approach any investment with caution and conduct thorough research. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and the value of HBAR can fluctuate. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and only invest what you can afford to lose. Hedera is still in its early stages, and the project's roadmap is ambitious. With a strong focus on research and development, the Hedera team is continually working to enhance the platform's capabilities. Imagine a world where transactions are instant, secure, and affordable. A world where supply chains are transparent and efficient. Hedera is building the foundation for this future. Want to learn more about Hedera Hashgraph? Visit their website to explore the platform in depth. Be sure to like, subscribe to Trading Critique, and hit that notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.